This video is showing the second form students how to draw the title block. As mentioned in class, the title block includes a border and an acceptable way of writing information about the drawing and the student doing the drawing. After you have squared your paper on the TD board, you begin by drawing the borders around the typing sheet. For the horizontal lines, we simply put one marking since our T-square assists us in drawing them perfectly. At first, it is best to draw these lines in construction and darken at the end to get nicely squared borders. So you can barely see them because these lines are in construction. This makes it easier to erase the excess at the end. For the vertical lines, we do two little markings, one below and one on top, so as to get the vertical line. These little markings show us the bottom left corner of the title block. Everything is to be raised outside of this corner. We measure the top 1 centimeter away from the top edge of the paper and draw the horizontal line with our T-square. Now we know what is the top right corner. Moving on to the left border. As before, one mark at the bottom and one mark at the top to draw the straight line. Using my construction lines, I know where it is supposed to start and end, so I can darken. I can then move to darken the remaining sides, but only darken to the end of the little corners. Any excess needs to be erased. Now we want to draw the lines that will divide the sections in our title block. 3 lines 1 centimeter apart from the bottom border of our title block. So do a marking at 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 3 centimeter and draw the horizontal lines with your T-square. These lines must be darkened. Further divisions include 3 vertical lines, 2 on the right and 1 on the left. These are at a space of 4 centimeters. So from the right border, we measure 4 centimeters and another 4 centimeters. To draw the vertical lines, remember to do it twice. One measurement at the bottom and one measurement at the top so that the lines are vertical. We now go to the left side and do one more division of 4 centimeters. So far, all the lines that we have drawn are darkened. We will now do the guidelines for our lettering in the title block. These lines must be drawn in construction. At each division, we will measure 2 mm from the bottom, two millimeters from the top, and the 5 millimeters in between. We then draw these horizontal lines with our T-squares. We will repeat this for every division. 2 millimeters from the bottom, 2 millimeters from the top, and the 5 millimeters in between. Remember, these lines are all supposed to be in construction. Our letters are not supposed to touch the darkened lines. Use these guidelines to write the particulars of the title block. Do not let your letters come out of the guidelines, and let the middle part of your letters be at the 5 millimeter mark. Hope the video helps the students that requested it. Blessings.